So to start things off, I'm going to create an audio track. So the shortcut for creating an audio track is Command T in Mac or Control T in Windows. The next thing, I'm going to go into my samples folder here and I'm going to load in a simple percussion loop. So I'm thinking of probably I'll load a bongo loop. So I'm just going to drag and drop it. For the next step, I'm going to create a return track. The shortcut for that is Option Command T in Mac or Alt Control T in Windows. So I'm just going to create one return track for this example. For the next step, I'm going to load an audio effect to the return track. So I'm going to load a reverb. You can load anything you want to. And I'm going to make sure the drive it is full. And I'm just going to use the send knob in the audio track here to add the reverb effect to the channel. So you can see as I increase the send knob, there's some amount of audio effect being added to the respective channel. I'm going to make it full for this example. Now for the final step, I'm just going to solo the return track so that you can hear the entire reverb effect. Now I'm going to add an EQ to the return track. And as you can see in the EQ, there's some amount of low end being generated. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select a low cut filter shape. And I'm just going to remove off the low end. So this method helps you to remove unwanted low ends from audio effects, giving you a much tighter sound in the overall mix.